Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this moisture proof weekly pill organizer for 4 times a day. It is for 7 days. It is portable. It is removable. You can take these anywhere you go. It will hold your medication, your vitamins, supplements, all in this one little box. Alright, so we got this pill organizer. This one is the clear case. It's offered in 3, which is clear, green, gray, black. So this one here is the clear. This one holds all your medications, your supplements, your vitamins. It is moisture proof. The silicone lab creates a dry condition to keep your pills away from moisture. It's got a nice little clasp in here to make sure that it doesn't fall out. It's a large capacity. It holds an entire month of pills super easily. So it holds up to 6 fish oil pills, 7 vitamins, 10 of the number 2s. So you can see it's got your day of the week, Sunday all the way through Saturday. And it is a nice bright little colors here. It's got stars at the bottom. So if you take pills 4 times a day, this offers 4 times a day. So you can rest assured that you will not spill your pills with the lock mechanism. The lock mechanism prevents the case from opening up during travel, and the little case themselves have a little lock mechanism. It does have a nice little print for your morning, noon, night, and extra. You can rub those off several times. It's a long time before it'll rub off. It is a portable size. It works for your daily use of travel. So if you're gone for the day, you can just pop out one of these ones. You can see that they are really deep, and they do have the locking mechanisms right here in the front. So not only is it secure, it'll hold your pills. Again, they will hold up to 6 fish oil pills, 7 vitamins, 10 of the number 0 pills. So you just lock them in right here. They will keep your prescriptions and medication and supplements safe without spilling. It is perfect for tracking. The color coding and durable labels help to track your medicine intakes. So with this being clear, you can see inside if you've taken your medications for the day. It is reliable lock mechanisms, moisture-proof design. It's got a large capacity. It's BPA-free. And with all the AUVON's pill medication box, they do come with an app. It is a level of health. It can care. App helps you manage your medication from your smartphone. It's got photographs, alarm reminders, inventory alerts, and repeat reminders. So you can see the lock-in mechanism right here on the side. It is nice and seal-full. You can use this weekly, monthly. You can use it for extra. So it is really nice. The size of this is 0.9 inch by 1.1 inch by 0.9 inch. So you don't have to worry about your medication spilling out or getting moistured. If you're interested in a pill box, I would definitely say check these ones out. These ones here are a really nice